Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint dip only way. Gather fresh mint, plain yogurt, heavy cream, lemon juice, salt, and a blender or food processor. Start by rinsing mint and removing stems, then pulse with a splash of cream until finely chopped and fragrant. Mix into yogurt, taste, adjust lemon and salt, chill briefly to meld flavors, and serve with veggies or chips for a lively party dip experience. In this video, I will show how to make mint dip only way. Measure 1 cup plain yogurt and 1/2 cup heavy cream to create the right creaminess and tang. Stem and lightly chop 1 cup packed fresh mint leaves, then add lemon juice and salt to brighten and lift the flavor. Blend briefly so the mint stays slightly textured, then taste and tweak seasoning for a perfectly balanced mint dip ready to enjoy. In this video, I will show how to make mint dip only way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and ridiculously comfortable where that keeps you moving between kitchen tasks. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple, tasty recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make mint dip only way. Pulse mint with a small amount of cream in short bursts so it becomes finely chopped but not pureed, then fold gently into yogurt. Whisk until the mixture is uniformly colored and tasting harmonious, adjusting lemon or salt if needed. Let the dip rest chilled for about 30 minutes to let the flavors blend fully, then serve chilled with crudites, pita, or chips for a refreshing accompaniment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.